Hi guys, and in this video I'm gonna help you to set up watch faces absolutely free on your Huawei Watch GT3. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, for this we're gonna need Huawei Health app, which you can download from App Store, Google Play or official Huawei website. Let's open it and go in Devices tab. Here we need to click on More. And as you can see, it suggests us to buy some watch faces, but we can click free. And now we'll see many free options and we can install which one we like the most. Just click the install button right here and then download. And wait a couple of seconds. Now it is downloaded and let's check how it will look on our watch. Press this digital crown and that's all. Now we have set up watch face absolutely free. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.